The log you see before you is an ancient giant sequoia, with an age approaching a full millennium.
Transporting timber of this scale requires specially engineered logistics and precise coordination.
No uncontrolled dragging is permitted within this intake zone. Both ends of the log are sealed with paraffin wax to limit end grain cracking from the very first moment. The mass of this single timber blank reaches tens of tons.
Every movement is controlled and executed with absolute precision.
The timber blank never makes direct contact with concrete. This area remains naturally ventilated, protected from direct sun and rain. This is the first step in a journey that will last many years.
Each timber blank is measured and given an initial technical assessment.
This diameter directly determines the final tabletop dimensions. Not every natural imperfection is removed. Any foreign object hidden inside can destroy a saw blade instantly. Only timber blanks that meet the standard are allowed to move forward. The cutting direction determines the entire grain pattern of the tabletop. Whether the cut passes through the center or offset from it, every option is carefully calculated. This is where the rough cutting process begins. This blade is custom engineered specifically for ultra-large timber. There is no room for haste.
The origin of a single-piece solid tabletop.
Each slab is assigned a unique code to track shrinkage over time.
No confusion is ever permitted.
The objective is to limit crack propagation during the drying process. This is the longest stage of the entire process. Natural airflow allows the wood to release moisture gradually. Some slabs must remain in drying for many years. Rapid drying would destroy the entire wood structure. The temperature is increased very slowly.
The target moisture content is between 8 and 12%.
The wood needs time to rebalance its internal stresses. Now, the shape of the table begins to take form. This scale is far beyond conventional furniture manufacturing. Both faces must be perfectly parallel.
The grain of giant sequoia is something that cannot be replicated.
This natural live edge is the soul of a single-piece tabletop. Every line is preserved as a mark of time. Nothing is hidden, only reinforced. Epoxy stabilizes the structure while honoring the natural grain. Structural reinforcement is mandatory. This is the insurance layer for decades to come. Sanding is a process guided by the sense of touch. The process begins with coarse sanding.
P80, P120, P240, P400.
The wood begins to breathe. No thick coatings are used.
Each layer requires time. The surface is matte, yet deeply dimensional. The final form is now complete. Structure must come before beauty. No movement is permitted. The tabletop must be perfectly flat. Even the smallest flaw will reveal itself. This is not just a product. All impacts must be completely neutralized.
Transportation is also a process.
Each crate is engineered specifically for a single table.
The journey inside the factory ends here.
Each table carries its own complete record.
From an ancient giant tree to a tabletop built to endure for centuries.
This is not fast production.
This is responsible production.
Every piece of wood is treated with respect. This process will repeat. But no two tabletops are ever the same. Each growth ring represents a single year of history.
Every detail is recorded.
Industry does not mean lifelessness.
Here, we work with time.
And respect it.
Giant sequoia does not end its life. It simply transforms into another form.
From a 1,000-year-old giant sequoia trunk through transport, inspection, rough cutting, drying, stress stabilization.